Let's add an additional account statement relation, this time with an offset. We'll go ahead and open this up. Click on the Relations tab, click on Add, and once again, relative to the keyword bank name, wherever it's located, we already see the green highlighting, we want to look above the bottom with an offset of 600 dots. And we can see that area right now in green, and we see an up arrow here. So that's showing the bottom boundary. If I click Add Relation and highlight both of these, this shows me very precisely where my search area is. We also need to add relations to properly capture the full name element. So let's go to that element here, the character string full name, and we'll click on the Relations tab. And we're going to look to the right of the keyword full name. Right of right. And we're also going to look above the bottom of keyword full name. We have an arrow pointing up, so I'm going to give it a small offset to make sure we capture this properly. And I'll add another element, another relation, and I want to look below the top of keyword full name, and I'm really going to need an offset here of, say, -30. That gives me a little bit of breathing room. Once again, I can highlight all three of these relations, and I can see my search area. And in fact, I could give a little bit of an offset to this right of the keyword, say of 20, and that moves my search area over just a little bit, and I am satisfied with this search area. And so let's test it real quick. We'll match this reference document. That means match all of the documents that have been assigned and are visible in the blue rectangle. I'm sorry, the blue marking there. And so if we go into the header and we look at full name, we can see the full name was found in this search area. Let's talk about another feature of FlexiLayout Studio. I'll go to the Advanced tab, and we see we've got an area called Advanced Pre-Search Relations and Advanced Post-Search Relations. Advanced Pre-Search Relations will constrain an element's properties in a special FlexiLayout language. Code entered into the Advanced Pre-Search Relations pane is executed immediately before searching for the image object that corresponds to the FlexiLayout element. So first, the program will use the properties that are specified in any of the tabs to the left of the Advanced tab. If a particular before it runs any code, and if a particular parameter is specified both on the tab to the left as well as in code in the Advanced tab, the code takes priority. If a parameter is specified on the GUI tab but is not specified in the code, of course the value of the parameter from the relevant tab will be used. And with these settings, a hypothesis is generated. The Advanced Post-Search Relations allows you to penalize a generated hypothesis depending on the properties of the element. The purpose of these constraints is to adjust a hypothesis that has been generated already. The major difference between Advanced Post-Search Relations and Advanced Pre-Search Relations is that the program starts to consider the post-search relations only after the hypothesis has been formulated. By adding various relations, you create a list of references and dependencies. The element reference browser allows you to search for an element and view its references. To open up the reference browser tab, select this command from the view menu or press Ctrl-Alt-R. So I'll click on view and reference browser. We can now see the references for the keyword full name, and we also see the blocks, and these can be expanded or collapsed. One really nice feature here is I can simply double click on one of these list items and I'll go directly to that element's properties, and if I need to make an adjustment I could. And that's the same thing for references. I can double click on this block and it takes me directly to my block element, and if I needed to make an adjustment I could make that as well. So the dependencies list contains the elements the given element refers to. The references list contains the elements which refer to the given element.